Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make some 4th of July decor for my home, and this is all done with either upcycled items that I already had or thrifted items. These silver plates are actually just from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for a while and I've used them in different ways, but I went out back and I spray painted them white. I'm going to decoupage on them, so I want a white base so that nothing shows through, because the decoupage can often be like transparent. Usually I use napkins for when I decoupage stuff because it goes on so well. This is scrapbook paper and it's kind of like a plasticky feel to it, so I'm not sure how this is actually going to adhere or work, but I love the print, so I figured I'd give it a go. I always go in with my Mod Podge and a little bit of water to just water it down. I put that on first, then I place the either scrapbook paper or the napkins on there, and then do another coat of the Mod Podge. If I need to after, I'll go back and do another coat after that, just for protection. I really wanted stripes. If you can tell what I'm doing like red, white, and blue, but I didn't want typical with like the blue part to have white stars. So that's why I got the scrapbook paper to mix it up a little bit, because you can do red, white, and blue in any kind of sort 4th of July Americana theme. It doesn't always have to be stars and stripes. That's pretty typical, but it's fun to play around with other things. So with the napkins, it was much easier going in. I'm going to let that dry before I cut off the remnants because I don't want it to tear. I'm just going to go in and antique it a little bit. My favorite is the Waverly. You brush it on and you can wipe off any excess, but this is just going to make it kind of look old. I did take a little bit of gold paint. There's a little bit of detailing on the outer part of the plates, so I was hoping that that would bring it to life and make it look really good, and I kind of like a little bit of that gold touch to it. But just going in and antiquing it, making it look old, adding it in different areas. If you're new here, I am Kristen, the Creative Peacock. I love doing all things DIY because honestly, I'm too cheap to pay someone else. I also enjoy turning basic spaces into something beautiful, one budget-friendly project at a time. This is how it came out. I absolutely love it. Then I moved on to a second one because I found this frame at a thrift store, and I think it's actually originally from Hobby Lobby, but I was really surprised when I tried to take the back off. It was done so well that I had to go get a screwdriver to remove the back tabs on it. But again, just some scrap paper. This has the blue with the white stars, and I figured it would tie it in really cute. You could also put something over the top of it like 1776 or USA or something, but I just like the way it came out. And then my third little project here is I found this oval frame. I've used this in other ways around the house, but I decided to spray paint it white. I didn't show that part here. And then I have this old flag. Usually I donate my flags to like Boy Scouts because they retire them, but I wanted to use this one because I really liked the way that it looked. After I spray painted, I just took it off the original stick it came on and hot glued it to the back of that, and then I mounted it on the old palette that I had. Love the way that it came out. I'll be definitely doing a couple more 4th of July and Americana DIYs and upcycling, so make sure to follow and like this video so you don't miss out on more. Thanks for following along.